doing this, you keep your eyes closed.
Okay.
Well, you shouldn't feel any like burning or anything. If you do, just let me know. But and some of this stuff I'm just gonna be saying for the sake of the video. I'll just take a little Lash shampoo and a cotton pad with 2 micro swabs. And this just ensures that if you have like any oil or any dirt on your lashes, we're just gonna get it off now. Because if you do have oil, dirt, anything on your lashes, the extensions, they are not going to adhere properly. They'll just fall right off or pop right off. So I'm just making sure you don't have any dirt or anything on your lashes. And your lashes look pretty clean, but sometimes like I have oily skin. Like that's one reason why my extensions, they never last long, because my skin is just so oily. Like sometimes when I have extensions on, my eyes start to burn so much because the oil just going down in my eyelid. Okay, so now what I'm gonna have you do is open your eyes and try to look up towards me. You don't gotta move your head up towards me, just look up towards me. Yeah. And then
why are you doing that for?
Because I like holding my stomach.
look up towards me. Put this underneath.
Can I see?
Your mother.
You look funny.
Your mother.
Your mother.
Your mother.
Your mother, your mother, your
Stop.
everyday.
She said your mother. Okay, you can close your eyes for a second just to rest up. How does that feel?
Cool.
Okay, good. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is like map out what like shape I kind of want your lashes to go in, because a lot of people, I don't do this, but a lot of people just do the same length across. But that's not always pleasing to every eye shape. You have like chinky eyes like me. So I'm thinking, hold on, give me 1 second. So I'm thinking that we should do like an open eye.
Okay.
So the longest one will probably be right here. Will be 13. That's probably the longest I'm going to do. And then the shorter ones will come out towards the inner and outer. And that probably will feel more comfortable on you too.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm about to come help you right now. Yeah, that'll probably feel way more comfortable on you.
You don't know how to color that much?
You are gonna be so funny for this little video.
Hey, no, I'm not. I'm not that funny.
LOL dolls, like 10 LOL dolls. We gotta get her to set this year. The little carrying case that comes with like 10 of them. I seen this app, it's called like Glitch and Deals. And they have like discounts and stuff. They got discounts on a lot of Amazon things. Oh, that's good. That's what I need, cause so maybe download the app and see if you can. I wanna get her to
My big. And again, this is C curl 0.15. And the size that I did was 13 in the middle, the longest, 12 on the outer, and then 11 at the very ends for the doe eye effect.
Superbonder by Ruthie Belle with a micro swab. And for those of you who do not know, this helps with retention. I love it so very much. And what I like to do is just put it right at the base where I connected the extension to the natural lash. There's no need to put it all over. The extensions just where you attach them so that it can seal that bond between the extensions and your lash. What's your next one?